Here is a secret about the link between expressions in the index form and expressions in the logarithm form. What you have on the screen is 10 raised by 2 is the same as 100. And also 10 raised by 3 is 1000. These are expressions in the index form. 9 can be expressed in the index form as 3 raised by 2. And so, to write all of those numbers in the logarithm form, there are 3 basic components you need to know about. 1, the number. 2, the base. And 3, the power. And so, in the next expression here, this is the number, this is the base, and this is the power. This represents the number because that's what it means. This is the base, and this represents the power. Once you know these 3 components, you'll be able to express numbers from the index form to numbers in the logarithm form, and also from the logarithm form down to numbers in the index form. So let's take the first one. 10 raised by 2 is the same as 100. The number here is 100. So writing this in a logarithm form, it becomes the logarithm. This is an abbreviation for logarithm. So log 100 to the base equals to the power, which is 2. And so you have written this in the logarithm form. And then if you evaluate just this expression on the left hand side, you will see that the value you will get is 2. The next one, 10 raised by 3 is 1000. Writing this in the logarithm form, the number is 1000, so it becomes log 1000 to the base 10 equals to 3. And so that's it. The last one there is 9 equals to 3 raised by 2. The number is 9, the base is 3, and the power of 2. So we say log 9 base 3 equals to 2. And so you've written all of these numbers from the index form down to the logarithm form. We can also interchange numbers from the logarithm form down to the index form. The same basic component. Identify the number, the base, and the power. The power is usually what is raised to a base. And so, changing from logarithm form to the index form. Let's take this example. Let's start with this. Log A base B is equals to C. Log A base B equals to C. And so, remember, when you are changing from the index form to the logarithm form, for instance, let me remind you, 3 raised by 2 is equals to 9. And so, the number is 9, the base is 3, and the power of 3 here is 2. So, writing this in the logarithm form, it becomes the logarithm of the number to the base equals to the power. So, when you want to change from the logarithm form now to the index form, identify the 3 main components. This is the base. You have this to be the base. This expression is the number because this is what you are looking for. And this is the power. And so, once you know these 3 components, you can change from logarithm form down to the index form. And so, log A base B, which is equals to C, can be written as A equals to B raised to power of C. And so, you've written this from the logarithm form down to the index form. All right, let's take one other illustration. Let's say log 9 base x equals to 3. To solve this expression, there are different ways of solving this, but let's just write this in the index form. The number is 9. This is the base, and what you have here is the power. And so this becomes 9 equals to the base x raised to the power of 3. And so this is as good as you say you bring this 9 down and then you raise x to the power of 3. You see that? Alright, so that's it. Identify those three components and then you are good to go. Moving from index form to the logarithm form and from the logarithm form down to the index form. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the like button so that you don't miss any part of my teaching. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.